So one of the things we get asked really often is, how do I clean my microfiber towels? Well, let's be honest, it's a serious investment. Our microfiber towels are ultra premium towels. If you use the right process to clean your towels, they're gonna be really effective and be able to serve you for many, many, many years. So I'm gonna give you a quick tip on how to first clean your really nasty towels. So here you go. We cleaned exhaust tips and wheels on my old Acura NSX with this towel, and it got really dirty. I'm gonna show you how to do a few things with our towel and pad revitalizer. Now this is for towels and buffing pads, okay? Our foam pads. So this, I'm gonna go ahead and actually spray it right into the nastiest parts of the towel. And I wanna pre-treat these really nasty parts of the towel before I dump it in a bucket to soak for a bit. So, because I know that this is gonna take a little bit more than just a simple wash in the washing machine. So, I'm gonna put that down, and then I'm gonna go ahead, old school style, rub those things together, and you actually see the dirt loosen up, okay? Just give it a little scrub together, and look, the dark black is turning sort of gray now. So check that out. All the dark black, oh, a little more right there. You'll see this product literally dissolve the nastiest of dirt. Then I'm gonna go ahead and drop it in this bucket of water that I've got. I'm gonna go through my other towels and make sure before I just go ahead and wash them, there's a drying towel, doesn't get nearly as dirty. This is the kind of dirt that'll wash in the washing machine, no problem. We're gonna go ahead and put the towel and pad revitalizer as our detergent. So that's fine. Ooh, this one looks a little bit worse. So see that guy? Wow, that thing really got nasty. So on this guy right here, I might do a few sprays on this guy, but really, by me just putting it into the bucket in the pre-soak, that's gonna be enough for this guy. So I'm gonna go through the rest of them. H2O garden gloss towel, no problem. Interior detailing towel, yeah, there's actually some nastiness on that. Let's give it just a quick little spray, but not too much. That one doesn't need to go into the pre-soak. Now, here we go. The single softs, the double softs, the white towels. One of the things that really makes our towel and pad revitalizer awesome is the fact that it brightens and whitens the towels, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and give those a little spray before I put that one straight into the washing machine too. That one's not quite too bad enough to put into the bucket. I wanna make sure and put a little towel and pad revitalizer into my pre-soak bucket. And again, maybe 3 or 4 ounces. And then I'm gonna let this stuff settle. I'm gonna let it soak. I might let it soak for a couple hours. I might even let it soak overnight. Wring them out a little bit, and I'm gonna throw them right into the washing machine. All right, we've had a couple hours to give these towels a solid soak. And boom, boy, they've got some dirty water here. Let's check out the dirtiest towel, which is this waterless wash towel. And let's see. Oh, heck yeah. Look at that. All of that super nasty exhaust tip and wheel cleaning is pretty much coming off of there. So I'm gonna go ahead now and take these towels and I'm gonna load them in directly into the washer. And I'm gonna make sure that I have all these towels. So I'm gonna take another quick look at them, make sure that we have the majority of the nasty dirt out of them. Because again, we don't wanna put super nasty towels into the washer. Oh man, that just came out incredible. So here we go. Now we've got those, the nastiest towels, and we're gonna go ahead and wash them all together with the other group of towels. I wanna wash all the microfibers together, and it's important that I don't wash those towels with any cotton towels. Cotton towels have tons of lint. You don't want that lint all over your microfiber. So critical that I'm washing the towels together and not washing them with any of the beach towels, any of the towels from your shower, etc. Then taking the towel and pad revitalizer, the same stuff that we used earlier, and we're gonna go ahead and add just a couple of ounces to the wash. Okay, then when it comes to temperature, the critical thing is that I wanna wash on hot. Okay, the hot water will definitely do the most cleaning. So I'm gonna take this one. On this setting, it takes me to bright whites, okay? I'm gonna go hot water, and that's how I'm gonna go ahead and wash these suckers. So you don't wanna use fabric softener, okay? No fabric softener on your microfiber. It clogs the tiny little fibers. It makes them so that they don't pick up as much of the compound, the polish, the detail spray. It literally makes the fibers go together, makes them soft, that it makes them so that they're no longer absorbent. Let's see how our towels did. Boom. Remember that guy? That is crazy. See the blue one was the most destroyed, the waterless wash. This is the remarkable story. Look at that. If you look really, really close, you can barely see the remnants of the stain, barely. That is unbelievable. The dirt is in the bucket, you know, the dirt is in the bucket. All right, see the other guys. The other ones weren't as bad. We didn't even really pre-soak them, so we know those are gonna be great. Anyway, the bottom line is we wanna make sure, always clean the filter, and, okay. On the kicker with this, dry them on high. We're gonna go heavy duty because these towels are not delicate. They're extremely high quality. You can wash the snot out of them, you can dry the snot out of them. Don't worry about it, but you'll really get good results if you continually use the right product to go ahead and keep those things really clean.